Hello guys, this video is about how to use different aircrafts without unlocking it. As you can see, I have unlocked till Tornado. What if I want to use say MiG 29 without buying it? You can observe that in Tornado there is an option of mission start, but there is no such option in MG29. So how to use MiG 29 without unlocking it? So here is a way. Guys, you can see that MJ20 to get MJ29 you have to press the next button twice. So what I will do, I will start the game and then click on the next button twice. Now you can select the stage. You can see I'm using MiG 29 without buying it. If you like this video,